Hello viewers, look on the board and see how I have done this question. Look at the question is, look at this equation. I want to simplify this equation. Here now, 5 bracket x minus 3 all over 3 is equal to x plus 6. So what do you do here now? You cross multiply. So you have 3 bracket x plus 6 bracket 2 is equal to 5 bracket x minus 3 times 1 is still the same thing. So that's how I solve this problem now. 3 times x will give you what? 3x plus 3 times 6. 6 times 6 will give you what? 18. Except what? 5 times x will give you what? 5x. And 5 times 3 will give you minus 15. So can we collect the like terms now? So we have there 3x crossing 6 plus minus 5x is equal to minus 15 minus 18. So here now give you minus 2x is equal to minus, we have 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Plus 10 will give you what? Minus 33. Then you cancel minus here. 2x will give you 33. Therefore, x will give you 33 over 2, which will give you 16 whole number 1 over 2. Please like, follow, and share for more videos like this. Thank you very much. I am your math teacher, Master Ifrem. Thank you.